Dear students, let's make a quick revision on Unit 2 and Unit 4. Okay, we will solve some exercises on the two units. Exercise number 1, choose the correct answer. I want to compare between 500 meters squared and 5 kilometers squared. If you remember, if you want to compare between two quantities, they should have the same unit. So I'll convert from kilometer to meter, from kilometer squared to meter. So I'll multiply by 1 million. So 5 kilometers squared means 5 million. So here we have 5 million and here we have 500. Of course, 5 million is the greater. So I choose less than. Number 2, the summation of measure of the interior angles of a triangle is, you all know that the summation of measure of the interior angles of triangle is 180. So I'll choose 180. Number 3, the diagonals are equal in length in each of a square and what? Diagonals equal in length, yes, in square and rectangle. So I'll choose rectangle. Number 4, the two diagonals are perpendicular. The two diagonals are perpendicular in square, of course, and what? And rhombus, yes. Okay. Number 5, the polygon which has no diagonals. We have a polygon which has no diagonals. Which polygon? Triangle. Yes, triangle has 3 sides but no diagonals. Okay. The space is a polygon with 5 sides. Do you remember? 5 sides, pentagon. Yes, excellent. Okay, quadrilateral, 4 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Hexagon, 6 sides. So 5 sides, pentagon. Number 7, the perimeter of a square of side length 4. The perimeter of a square of side length 4. Perimeter of a square means side length by 4. So 4 by 4 equals 16. So this is the left hand side. The right hand side we have the perimeter of a rectangle whose dimensions 3 and 7. Let's think dimensions 3 and 7 and I want the perimeter length plus width then times 2. The rectangle, if I want to calculate the perimeter of rectangle, add length plus width then multiply 2. Length plus width 3 plus 7, 10. 10 by 2 equal 20. So we have 16 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Of course, I'll choose less than. Number 8. 7 meters squared and 7,000 centimeters squared. From meter to centimeter, we will multiply by 100. But here we have meter squared and centimeter squared. So I'll multiply by 100 times 100. It means 10,000. So 7 meters squared equal 70,000 centimeters squared. So the suitable sign is greater than. Number 9, the triangle whose side lengths 4, 6, 6. We have 2 sides equal in length, so isosceles, yes. Okay. Number 10, the side length of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 12. We have an equilateral triangle and the perimeter is 12. So the side length is equilateral means all sides are equal in length. Okay, so I'll divide 12 equally among the 3 sides. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. So the side length is 4. Number 11, measure of any angle in a rectangle. All angles in rectangle is right angles. So the measure will be 90 degrees. Okay. Okay. The second question is complete. Number 1. The hexagon is a polygon with how many sides? Hexagon, 6. Yes, 6 sides. Okay, so hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. Number 2. All sides are equal in length in two quadrilateral, which are all sides are equal in length in square and rhombus. Yes, square and rhombus. Number 3. The two diagonals are perpendicular. Two diagonals are perpendicular in, of course, square and rhombus. Yes, square and rhombus. Number 4, the area of a square whose perimeter is 36. Perimeter? Okay, I need the side length to get the area, but here I have the perimeter, so I should divide this perimeter by 4 to get a side length. So the side length will be 36 divided by 4, which is 9. This is the side length. So the area side by side, or side length by itself. So 9 times 9 equal 81. Okay, don't forget, if you want the area, you should have the side length, not the perimeter. If you have the perimeter of the square, just divide it by 4. Okay, so I write 81 centimeters squared. Number 5, the perimeter of rectangle whose dimensions are 4 and 7. Perimeter of rectangle, length plus width times 2. Length plus width times 2. So I'll add 4 plus 7, 11 times 2, 22. Okay, so length plus width, then multiply 2. So the result is 22. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That's all about our session today. Next session, we will make a general revision on what we have studied in mathematics in primary 4. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.